Imagine downloading your favorite movie in seconds, or a surgeon performing remote surgery from thousands of miles away, in real time. It sounds futuristic, but it's happening now thanks to 5G technology. But what exactly is 5G and why is everyone talking about it? Welcome to Unravel, Technology and Innovation. On this channel, we simplify the world of technology and innovation, so you can understand how it all works no matter your background. You've probably heard the term 5G countless times in ads, headlines, and tech news. But is it just a marketing buzzword, or is 5G truly a revolutionary leap forward in wireless technology? Let's unravel it. 5G stands for fifth generation, the latest standard for mobile internet connectivity. If you think of mobile networks as evolving steps, each generation has brought substantial improvements in speed and functionality. Allowed simple voice calls. 2G added text messaging. 3G opened the door for mobile internet. 4G dramatically improved data speeds, enabling streaming services and widespread video conferencing. But 5G is different. It's not just faster, it's a fundamental shift in wireless capabilities, designed to handle the exploding demand for mobile data and the growth of the Internet of Things, IoT. So how fast is 5G really? Well, under ideal conditions, 5G can deliver speeds up to 100 times faster than current 4G networks. Imagine downloading an entire HD movie in mere seconds, compared to several minutes on 4G. But speed is just one piece of the puzzle. A crucial advantage of 5G is low latency, or the time it takes for data to travel from your device to a server and back. 4G latency averages about 50 milliseconds, while 5G brings this down to as little as 1 millisecond, faster than the blink of an eye. This lightning-fast responsiveness makes real-time applications not only possible, but practical. But why does latency matter? Take autonomous vehicles, for example. A car traveling at high speeds can't afford delays when communicating with infrastructure or other vehicles. Every millisecond counts. 5G's near-instantaneous data transmission could literally save lives, making real-time navigation safer and smarter. Healthcare is another groundbreaking use case. Surgeons have already begun performing remote surgeries guided by robotic equipment over ultra-fast 5G networks. Doctors can now operate with precision from hundreds, even thousands of miles away, breaking geographical barriers to healthcare. Another critical feature of 5G is massive connectivity. Unlike previous generations, 5G networks can support a staggering number of devices simultaneously, up to 1 million per square kilometer. This makes 5G essential for the IoT revolution, enabling countless smart devices, from home appliances to smart city infrastructure, to communicate efficiently. But with any new technology, there are common misconceptions and concerns. Let's briefly address the biggest one: safety. Some worry that 5G radiation could pose health risks, but numerous studies from reputable scientific institutions have confirmed that the frequencies used in 5G networks are safe and comparable to those used in existing wireless technologies. In short, the consensus is clear: 5G does not pose significant health risks. So, what does 5G mean for our future? 5G is more than just faster smartphones. It's a transformative force that will reshape entire industries. Smart cities will become the norm, optimizing traffic flow, energy consumption, and public safety. Augmented and virtual reality will move from niche experiences to everyday use, revolutionizing education, gaming, and entertainment. Industries will benefit from unprecedented efficiency. Manufacturing will leverage 5G for real-time automation, drastically improving productivity. Agriculture will utilize precision farming techniques enabled by constant, instantaneous data sharing. But for all these advancements to fully materialize, widespread 5G infrastructure is essential. This means significant investments from governments, telecom companies, and private industry, and it's already underway worldwide. Ultimately, 5G isn't just another step forward. It's a giant leap into a more connected, efficient, and innovative world. 5G is here, and it's more than just hype. With blazing speeds, minimal latency, and massive connectivity, the fifth generation of wireless technology is set to transform our daily lives in ways we've only begun to imagine. The question isn't whether 5G will shape our future, but how quickly and broadly we embrace it. Got a question or topic you'd like unraveled next? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. As we continue to explore the world of technology and innovation, one concept at a time. Huawei.